Traditional mentoring involves a type of relationship where a more experienced, older person helps, guides, and encourages a younger, less experienced person, where age and experience match perfectly. Originally, mentor comes from Greek mythology. Mentor was a friend of Odysseus, and Odysseus gave Mentor the task of looking after his son Telemachus while he was away. Also, the goddess Athena once visited Telemachus. To visit him, she took the shape and form of mentor. Since then, and because of this origin in Greek mythology, the word mentor came to refer to people with more experience and age, guiding, encouraging, and helping people with less experience and younger people. Whether you speak of traditional mentoring or reverse mentoring, you consider that age and experience are correlated, either because you say that the older you get, the more experienced you necessarily are, or because the younger you are, the more you know about the internet. And in both cases, there is some determinism that is actually rarely true. And with the idea of intergenerational mentoring, you realize that in fact that type of relationship has to go both ways, that younger people have a lot to learn from older people and older people have a lot to learn from younger people. In general, older people tend to know more about how to manage their time, get their priorities straight, and find a better balance between work and life. That's something that they can teach younger people to do. They also know better how to manage their finances. They know how to save money, how to spend it wisely. And younger people would have a lot to gain from learning to do it earlier in their lives. Also, younger people know how to build a reputation online. And there is a generational difference between the people who were raised with the idea that careers were linear and that everything had to be on your CV, and younger people who know that you have to build a reputation with social media and with the digital traces that you leave online, be they a podcast, a blog, or just the content that you curate on your social media.